All right, welcome back to the DIY garage built singer inspired Porsche. Today's gonna be a fun episode because we have a lot to do. Pretty much all the suspension, all the brakes, refurbishing things and making things clean, hopefully are all gonna be done in this episode. So we have adjustable spring plates, rear shocks, all new brakes, and eventually brake lines and all that stuff as well. New billet aluminum bushings because if you saw my last episode on the front suspension, I'm getting rid of all the rubber because it just fails, and we're going with frictionless metal races and bushings. Really excited for these. The engine is over here. I don't even really want to look at it because I'm scared that it's not going to go back in. First thing on the to-do list is get rid of these 19mm bolts holding this caliper on because I just want a little more wiggle room. Good God. Thing was really on there. Okay, got that out. There's a ton of spring tension in here, so just be careful when you're doing it. Use a jack to kind of prop up everything underneath the trailing arm right here. Just kind of keep some tension while you're undoing everything, but once it's done, it just kind of droops down on its own like this. Now the trick here is to get this off of here without the torsion bar that's inside coming with it. I guarantee you that's gonna 9 out of 10 times that's never gonna happen. So oh, okay. Holy crap, I cannot believe it. It actually came off. That is unheard of. That saved me so much of a headache. Oh, hell yeah. Let's go. So a quick explanation as to why these go bad and why I'm gonna be switching over to metal races to get rid of these rubber bushings is simply this right here. You can literally see how much thicker the diameter is down here compared to the diameter up here. It's basically on the car like this. This is the body. This is out towards the fender. And that means that it's basically sagging. It's lost all of its rigidity, and the same goes for the rubber bushing out here. It's rubber, so it's going to fail after a certain amount of time. All right, and we can pop this rotor off. Hopefully it just, okay, there we go. I can't imagine doing these with the engine still in the car because you really have like an inch of room. All right. I use this round flap disc type thing to kind of give me some area in order to actually prep this and get all of the old rubber out of there because some of it was formed to the metal. And then I just used some SEM self-etching primer to coat the bare metal because I don't want it to be open to any type of the elements. And my dad wants me to tell you that I brushed it on rather than sprayed it on, so there's no overspray. It's nice and easy just to get it where you want it to get it. So the scary part comes now where we press the metal race into the opening. So we're gonna see how that goes. It's gonna be pretty permanent once it happens. I'm just using some white lithium grease in here to kind of make the process smooth and also give it a little bit of added protection as well from the elements. All right, and that is that. It is pressed in as far as it's gonna go. On the inside, there is like basically a stopper. So while the outside of it right here isn't fully flush to the body, the inside is fully flush to basically the back mounting plate. So there is no further distance than this can go into the car. and it's in there. It's not coming back out. So everything from here on out should be hopefully nice, smooth, frictionless suspension. But let's go do the other side. So I went ahead and saved you guys all the trouble of watching me clean this and paint it because it's pretty self-explanatory. So all the quarter wheel wells are now painted black. Nice and uniform, nice and clean, nice and sexy. Makes things pop once it's in here. But now we are going to be putting, or at least working towards getting, the suspension into the torsion bar tubes. This is always a little nerve-wracking because while you're doing this, it's pretty much permanent, but we're almost there. Should be good. Nice and flush on both sides. It just looks so amazing like this. So much better. This will essentially slide right in like this and look freaking amazing and beautiful. Hell yeah. So this is where we are now. I have the whole quarter panel painted, all the oil lines back in, all the suspension fitted, at least mocked up, and you can kind of get a good picture of it right here. Got all of the metal races and all of the hard plastic Delrin or inserts all ready to go. Just needs to be hooked up. But the question for you guys is this. I'm going to post this video anyways, but I want to know with you guys, do you want to see just little updates like this and have me post them more frequently, or do you want to see when the whole thing is completely completed, like the whole rear suspension is fully done, like trailing arms, everything's back in the car? Because that might just take a long, like it's going to take months, maybe not months, more and more time. So if you want to see just easy to do quick uploads of the actual progress, let me know. I think that might be the way to go. That way I can actually get some stuff out for you guys. But this is the rear suspension, at least in its current state, ready to be mocked up and put back together. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Sorry for the long delay. I'll try and have more videos out as soon as I possibly can. But yeah.